You ever feel like you're just stuck in a rut? I mean, you're knee deep in mud and it is impossible to move forward. Would you like to be free? Hello, I'm Clarence, I'm the preacher, and I believe that by sharing little videos like this, you and I can work together and make a difference in the lives of other people. So how do you get out of this rut? Fortunately, the idea I have for you is a very simple idea, and simple ideas are usually the most powerful ideas. And the idea is simply, just do it. Remember the old commercial, just do it? That's what I'm suggesting. Pick a next step, just whatever that step looks, got to be a positive step, and just do it. Don't wait for all the lights to turn green. Don't wait for things to be perfect, because they're never going to be perfect. Take a constructive step, and then take another, then take another. There is no magic. There is no pixie dust coming into our lives. There is no knight in shining armor. The only option we have is to do or not to do. So don't overthink it. If you want to excel in Christ, it's just a matter of taking one step after another, walking in the footsteps of Jesus. Put your comments below, share this video, and working together, I believe you and I can make a difference in the lives of other people. And as always, have a great day.